So, what items do I have lying around at home right now? Like, I don't know, gym clothes, a knit hat, whatever, that could work for hiking in Yosemite in a pinch.
Yeah, so in a pinch, actually, the good news is that you don't actually have to spend a lot of money on clothing. What you have with you when you go in the gym, like your polyester base layer or a merino base layer that's thin like this one, 150 to 175 gram per square meter. That probably gets too technical, but basically a lightweight base layer would be sufficient. And then pants wise, ideally you'd get hiking pants, but if you have a jersey that is not made of cotton, that's the most important thing to remember is that what you have lying around, please check the label, make sure it's not cotton. That would be sufficient for a base layer while you're walking. In terms of insulation, so when you're at rest or at camp, you can bring a fleece jacket that you have laying around at your home without having to invest in an expensive down jacket, although puffer jackets or down and synthetic filled jackets are a really good investment in my opinion.